What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you a full installation of the oil catch can. It's an older video, but a lot of you guys have been asking about where I've got it from, how to install it. So this is going to be an install video. I've got it from Billick Technology website. You can go there and purchase one as well. But now if you want to get a better discount and get it per se on eBay or Amazon, I would highly recommend Amazon, simply because if you have a problem where there's a part missing or something's wrong with it, eBay, they give you a hard time returning it. There's a restocking fee. It takes a long time to process, but Amazon is just free returns, real simple and easy. So I would suggest, if you want to purchase these and get a discount by going on eBay or Amazon, choose Amazon. You're going to save yourself a lot of hassle. But anyway, let's get right into the video of the installation of the oil catch can. Okay, so we'll do a quick little unboxing here, show you everything that's inside the Billick catch can box. Here we got all the hardware included, including the catch can. And it comes really nicely packaged. We got the two extra long PCV hoses, and actually we had to cut them down because they were extra long. We didn't need excess of hose, so we actually cut them down. Got all the fittings and all the nuts and bolts, which really isn't a lot. Got the main mounting bracket. And again, everything comes nicely bundled up, nicely cushioned. Got the nice chrome polished finish of the catch can. And so we'll go ahead and install this real quick. Pop off the engine cover. And we'll start by mounting the main bracket of the oil catch can. And this is really the hardest part of the install. You'll need basic tools for this. And basically you want to make sure these tabs here are lined up with the protruding marks on the PCM cover, which you'll see the arrows. So those two tabs and screws should be perfectly in line with the protruding areas on the PCM cover. And you'll see what I mean as soon as we show it right there. Those two protruding marks should be lined up with your screws. Once you mount that, it's a piece of cake. You can make this a little easier by removing the PCM, but I didn't go that route because I didn't want to have any issues putting it back on. And so as you remove this top PCV hose, you may need to put quite a bit of elbow grease in there. In fact, we grabbed a screwdriver and just kind of pried it and shimmied it out of there. Again, once you mount the main mounting bracket to the catch can, it's just a matter of replacing these two hoses, the upper and the lower, and putting your fittings on. And basically that's it. Very simple, easy install. Now here, those little clamps did not come with the catch can, but we just had some small clamps laying around and we just put those on for extra securement so the hose doesn't kind of shimmy off when you're driving down the road. Again, when you're removing these two hoses, you'll leave the elbow on, leave your stock elbow on, and just replace the hoses. And so here all we're doing is tightening down our little clamp there. Once we do that, we'll just install our catch can to our main mounting bracket and attach the other end of the hoses onto the catch can. And then it's a wrap. Of course, we're going to cut down our hoses because fortunately Billet provided them extra long. We definitely didn't want a short hose, but they provided them extra long. And we just cut them down to the desired length and installed them right to our catch can. Here we're just cutting off the excess part of the hose. And then we'll just pop that baby right on our catch can, and it's a wrap. And here we have the final installation of the product. Very happy with this purchase. I recommend this to all. Get yourself a catch can, whether it be through Billet or any other company. They all serve the same purpose. Make sure you guys give it a thumbs up, and make sure you subscribe to the channel. See you guys in the next video. Alex is RT Live signing off.